In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam error code 50. Something went wrong while attempting to sign in. Please try again later. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a number of different fixes that we're going to try. So I'm going to start with the most common fix first. So fix number one is to go ahead and check the Steam server status. So we can go ahead and visit a site called steamstat.us. So if we type that in the URL, click enter, and then we can see if there's any outages. And now if there are, there's basically, you just need to wait it out. Or you can go ahead and check on Steam support Twitter if servers are down. Yeah, basically just wait it out until they're back online. Now the next fix is to go ahead and restart Steam properly. So what we can do is right click our Windows key and click into Task Manager. Then from there we would need to end all Steam processes. So go ahead and expand this. Click on anything that says Steam on it, so right click that and click on End Task. And then reopen Steam and try signing in again. Now next fix is to go ahead and clear the Steam download cache. So open up Steam and then click onto the Steam logo, click onto Settings, then click into Downloads. And then inside of downloads, we need to go ahead and look for clear download cache. So clearing the download cache might resolve issues downloading or starting up. So clear cache like so, and then confirm that. Now that's going to restart Steam. Now for running any VPNs or proxies in the background, I suggest disabling them for now because they cause these issues as well. So yeah, just go ahead and disable any VPNs or proxies. Another fix we can try is run Steam as administrator. So right click Steam, click on Run as administrator, and then click on yes to allow those changes. And while you're restarting your PC, also restart your router. So basically turn off your PC, unplug your router for at least 5 minutes, turn everything back on and try signing in again. If you're still having issues, go ahead and uninstall Steam and reinstall it.